purchase fumes or fancy gear. Just peel and stick, then grab a beer. Yo, it's safer, faster, built to last. Flintlastic SA, working fast. S.A.F.E, now sing along.